Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best LED strip connector is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components when setting up your dream lighting system, ensuring a seamless and reliable connection between your LED strips and power source, which is crucial for achieving that perfect ambience and preventing frustrating flickering or power loss issues that can ruin the aesthetic of any room or project. This small but mighty accessory plays a vital role in the overall performance and longevity of your lighting, making its selection a critical step in your DIY lighting journey. Number 5. 4-pin LED strip connector kit for 5050 RGB 10mm LED light strip. This comprehensive kit provides all the essential solderless accessories you need for your DIY LED lighting projects. It includes 8 different types of connectors, ensuring you have the right parts for any setup. Designed specifically for 10mm wide, non-waterproof 5050 RGB LED strips, these connectors ensure a seamless connection. Please ensure your strip is 10mm wide and uses 4-pin RGB, not RGBIC. Constructed with flame-retardant PVC, these connectors are built to last. The tin-plated pure copper wires inside offer excellent conductivity and a long lifespan for your lighting. Easily create custom lighting effects with this versatile accessory kit. It offers a variety of connectors to help you achieve the best visual results for your colorful LED installations. Enjoy quick and easy setup without any soldering or wire stripping. Simply snap the connectors onto your LED strips with pliers for instant, vibrant lighting effects. These connectors are rated for 0-4A current and 0-24V voltage input, with a heat resistance range of 20 to 100 degrees Celsius. They are designed for reliable and safe operation. What we like. This kit offers a wide variety of connectors for diverse DIY projects. It ensures a solderless and durable connection with its flame-retardant PVC casing. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for your RGB lighting projects and want to avoid soldering, this is a great choice. What people say. The connector is easy to use and makes connecting LED strips simple. It securely holds the LED strip in place, ensuring a stable connection. The design allows for a clean and professional look when connecting multiple strips. Number 4. Mutter 4-pin LED light strip connectors set. This comprehensive set includes everything you need to connect your LED light strips. It features various connector shapes and cuttable PCB boards for custom installations. Designed to handle up to 4A current and 0-24V voltage, these connectors are heat-resistant and suitable for most 10mm RGB LED strips. Ensure correct polarity for safe and long-lasting use. The cuttable PCB boards allow you to create T, L, or X shapes, giving you the freedom to design unique lighting arrangements. Simply cut along the marked lines to customize your layout. Connecting your LED strips is a breeze with these tool-free clips. Just open the clip, slide in the strip ensuring correct polarity, and close for a secure connection. These connectors are ideal for standard density strips and DIY projects. They are perfect for decorating holidays, parties, weddings, and any event that needs a special touch. The package contains a generous quantity of connectors, various shaped PCB boards, and screw clips, ensuring you have all the components required for your lighting projects. What we like. This set provides exceptional flexibility with cuttable PCB boards in various shapes, T, L, X, for custom configurations. It also includes screw clips for added security. If you enjoy creative lighting setups, need to connect strips at angles, or want a complete package with many components, this set is ideal. What people say. The connector is easy to use and provides a secure connection for 10mm LED strips. It works perfectly with different types of 10mm LED strips, ensuring a consistent light output. The design allows for quick and simple installation without the need for soldering. Number 3. Zhengmy 4-pin 10mm solderless LED strip connector. This package offers a comprehensive set of tools to connect your LED strip lights. It includes a generous length of cable, numerous connectors, and a helpful tool, ensuring you have everything needed for your project. These connectors are designed to work with a wide range of LED light strips, including those operating at 5V, 12V, and 24V. They are also suitable for various wire gauges and 10mm LED strips, providing great flexibility. Forget about complicated soldering or stripping wires. These connectors allow for a quick and easy connection by simply piercing the light strip and wires, saving you valuable time and effort. Connecting your lights is straightforward. Insert the wire into the guide, align the pads with the pins, and ensure the polarity is correct for a stable and reliable connection. Constructed from high-quality, transparent materials, these connectors are built to last. They ensure a secure and long-lasting connection, enhancing the appearance of your lighting setup. These connectors are designed to minimize dark areas, providing a more uniform and impressive lighting effect. The sturdy construction ensures they will serve you well for a long time. What we like. This option comes with a generous length of extension cable and features a transparent design that minimizes dark areas. The connection method is straightforward, piercing the strip and wires without stripping. If you need extra cable length and prefer a clean, unobtrusive look for your lighting, consider this. What people say. The connectors are easy to use and create a secure connection for the LED strips. They fit the 10mm LED strips perfectly, allowing for seamless extension of lighting. The design allows for quick and simple installation without the need for soldering. Number 2. 25-pack solderless white LED tape light connectors. You'll receive 25 pieces of 2-pin LED light strip connectors, along with a screwdriver. This generous quantity is enough to meet your various needs on different occasions. Connect your LED tape and wires easily and securely. These connectors allow for a solder-free, screw-down connection, creating fast and reliable links for your tape lights. Don't worry about wire size limitations. They are compatible with a range of solid, stranded, and fused wires from 16 AWG to 22 AWG, offering flexibility for custom solutions. These connectors are built to handle demanding applications. They support up to 6A current and work with 5V, 12V, and 24V 2-pin LED strips, enabling longer runs. Installation is a breeze. Simply strip the silicone cover, insert the LED tape, and tighten the screws for a secure connection, whether your strip is waterproof or not. What we like. This connector utilizes screw terminal blocks for a secure, solder-free connection and supports higher current loads. It's also very flexible with wire gauge compatibility. If you are working with monochrome LED strips, need a robust connection, or are connecting longer runs, these are a solid pick. What people say. The connector is easy to use and install. It securely connects the LED strip without any issues. The connection is stable and reliable, ensuring consistent lighting. Number 1. Mutter 40 PCS 10mm 2-pin LED strip connectors. You'll receive a generous pack of 40 connectors, including L-shape, gapless, and T-shape adapters, ensuring you have enough for all your lighting projects. Crafted from high-quality PBT material, these connectors are flame-proof and heat-resistant. Their durable construction ensures safety and longevity for your lighting setup. For safe operation, always power off before installation. These connectors are compatible with 0-4A current and 0-24V voltage, supporting 3528 and 2835 SMD LED strips up to 72W. Simply open the clip, insert your light strip aligning the positive side, and close the clip. No tools are needed for a quick and easy connection, allowing you to enjoy your beautiful lighting. Perfect for DIY projects, under cabinet lighting, or behind your TV, these connectors create clean and seamless joints for most LED strip lights on the market. Before inserting the strip, remember to remove any silicone around the solder wire. This small step prevents potential issues and ensures a smooth connection. What we like. Designed for a seamless, gapless connection, these connectors are made from reliable, heat-resistant PBT material. The installation is a simple clip-on process, ensuring a clean look. If you are working with 3528 or 2835 SMD LED strips and prioritize a neat, professional finish without soldering, these are a great option. What people say. The connectors are easy to use and make a secure connection. They fit the 10mm LED strips perfectly and are very reliable. The design allows for quick and simple installation without any soldering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.